Hi guys, Ms. Perkins here. Today we're talking about Module 1, Lesson 29 and 31 combined. In this lesson, we're talking about being able to solve subtraction math stories. Now, first I want to talk about our steps. Step number 1, we have to read our word problem 3 times and do cubes. Then step number 2, we have to set up our number bond. Step number 3 is we have to set up the number sentence. Step number 4 is we have to draw. Do we know the whole? Yes, draw the whole. Do we know the part? Yes, circle what we know. Step number 5, you circle the part you know. Cross out the unknown part, which is the part we don't know. Step number 6, finish the number bond. Step number 7, finish the number sentence. And step number 8 is our statement. So now let's look at our word problem. We know that we are going to, like step number 1 says, read our word problem 3 times. So let's get started. There are 10 students wearing jackets. Some students took off their jackets. Now there are 7 students wearing jackets. How many students took off their jackets? We read it once. Let's read it again. There are 10 students wearing jackets. Some students took off their jackets. Now there are 7 students wearing jackets. How many students took off their jackets? Okay, I read it twice. Now on step number 3, I normally tell them to start by doing cubes. Start circling those important numbers, underline the question box in those important words. So that's what you would do is third time you're reading it, make sure that you can start cubes then. So there are 10 students wearing jackets. Some students took off their jackets. Now there are 7 students wearing jackets. How many students took off their jackets? Now I know that Ms. Perkins just said 7, but I don't see the number 7. But look, it's because it's hiding from us. The number was hiding. You have to circle the word 7 and then write the actual 7 on top of it. Find the question mark for the question and keep on going backwards until you see the period to stop. Then we box in important words like students. And after 7, there's students. Then we also know that mystery word that says some, S-O-M-E, box that in. That lets us know this is a mystery. This is what we're going to try to figure out. Some students took off their jackets. We don't know how many, but we know it's some. So we did step number 1. We read and we did cubes. Step number 2, set up our number bond. So does the word problem tell us the whole? Yes, it does. It tells us there are 10 students wearing jackets. So I'm going to put a little W by the 10. And you know Ms. Perkins will forget, so I'm going to put the 10 in our number bond. And I'm going to label it with an S for 10 students. So now we did the whole for our number bond. Now we can't forget to do the part. So let's see. We know there are some students that took off their jacket. Does it tell us how many students took off their jacket? No. We just know there's some. So we're going to put a mystery right there. And we're going to put a T for took off. That's our mystery. We don't know just yet. It says now there are 7 students wearing jackets. So we know there's 7 students that are wearing their jackets. So I'm going to put a W for wearing their jacket. Okay, so now we set up our number bond. Now let's set up our number sentence the best that we can. So now our number sentence, we know whenever we're taking away that subtraction, it's our whole minus the part we took away minus the part we have left. So our whole is what? 10, right? Minus, how many did we take away? How many students took off their jacket? We don't know. So we're going to put our mystery box right there. Equals, how many students are wearing the jacket? 7. So check, we set up our number sentence. Now we're going to draw. Does the word problem tell us the whole? Yes, 10. We're going to draw it. So let's draw 10. What's the part that the word problem tells us? 7, right? So we're going to circle the part that we know. So I'm checking that I drew my hole. Now let's circle the part that we know, which is 7. So 5, 6, 7. Cross out the unknown part. So cross out the part that we did not know. What was the part that we didn't know? This right here. 3, right? So we circle the part we knew, we cross out the unknown part. Now let's finish the number bond. There's 1, 2, 3 that we crossed out. So that means there were 3 students that took off their jackets. So now we finished our number bond. Now let's finish our number sentence. 10 minus how many took off their jacket? Oh, that's right, 3 equals 7. Now remember, guys, the reason why I put the part that we didn't know first right here in the number sentence is because we're letting it match the word problem. You put your whole first. The part that you take away is next. We took away 3 because that's how many took off their jacket. Then 7 was how many was left that was still wearing their jackets. So we're just making it match the word problem. So now we finished number bond, finished number sentence. Then we have to do is finish the statement. Blank students took off their jackets. So we know that it was 3 people that took off their jackets. So 3 students took off their jackets. Alright guys, that's it for this video.